I'm Mattei from matteirealty.ca. Today I have an important message for consumers out there in general, the right to repair. Now, this movement was started by people who were frustrated with the fact that they couldn't access their electronics because there were proprietary screws and glue that if you tried to fix something, it would break or you'd void the warranty. Well, that frustration is spilled over into all kinds of consumer aspects in our economy. And I'm going to share with you an example of quite a frustrating experience I just had with the humidifier at my house. So this part that I'm showing you now, as I was changing my drainage tube, which in Vaughan, we either have really hard water or something's wrong with it because the humidifier pads are supposed to be changed biannually. Ours last a month and a half and then scale and build up disgusting stuff. Just on a side note, if you build up scale on the humidifier pad, water can't get through, it won't work. So I go to take off the drain and this little part breaks. As soon as it broke, I used the 4-letter word because I knew it wouldn't be easy to find what I needed, especially on a part or unit I assumed from another owner of the house. But the damn thing works. Why would I throw a whole unit away on account of a piece of plastic? It's not the money. Okay, it's the principle of the fact that it works for a small little plastic piece. It doesn't make sense to throw it away. So I use my online research. I find the diagram of my unit. Underneath my unit, you'll see here, there's a photo of the model number. That's all you really need on Google to find the parts list. My part is number 7. Okay, now there must be something wrong with number 7. It's a small plastic piece. It's $63 US. Just to give you an idea, a brand new unit at Home Depot with a humidifier. Brand new unit with the humidifier is $289 Canadian. The 6308, which I found out for that small plastic part, which is a component of the unit, is in US dollars. That's absolutely nuts. Let me show you what that gets you. First of all, I'm going to enlighten you. The box was packaged in Mexico and is worth more than the part. Plastic. That cost me $56 plus tax, over $60 for a small plastic fitting. Okay, now why is that upsetting? Here's the first thing. Honeywell, which is the company that has the humidifier I use, does not sell parts to the public. Now I understand they want to sell to repair people or distributors. For that reason, as a middleman, they could sell them. But as a manufacturer, for instance, like American Standard does, you can call and get warranty parts or at the very least buy directly from them. Not so with Honeywell, which by the way isn't Honeywell. When you call them, you get a company called Resideo. Now I called Juan, not joking, at Resideo. I'm pretty sure he was at least 3 time zones away from me. And he explained to me that, yes, I did find the right part. No, they can't sell it to me. No, he can't tell me where to find it. He checked on Amazon and it was $95. That's insane, okay, for this plastic part. You're starting to appreciate why the right to repair movement is now moving into a legislation stage where they're trying to get the governments to put into manufacturing, A, stop building crap, and B, stop building crappy parts that cost a fortune, almost half of what the unit costs. So what were my choices? I could buy a whole new unit, pay $150 service charge plus labor to have it installed, that's close to $600, or be extorted into buying a 2-cent piece of plastic for over $60. Now, put that on the scale of a motor vehicle, something else involving parts inside your home, like a dishwasher or something along those lines. And what's become apparent is it has nothing to do with repairing anymore as much as it does for you to throw away a decent unit that's too cost prohibitive to repair. Do you think that plays into manufacturers' hands? Of course it does. You have distribution chains, costs of parts that are prohibitive. not an easy way to find parts for these things, and it all adds up to you rebuying things that used to last 10 to 15 years every 2 to 3 years. So if you'd like to know more, look up Right to Repair. Get into reading about what they're trying to do. In the meantime, I'm going to very delicately try and install this so I don't have to take a mortgage out the next time something breaks on my humidifier. I'm Eric Mattei, matteirealty.ca. Stay informed, people, and try and repair what you can. It's better for you. Have a great day.